We sat and drank with the sun on our shoulders and felt like free men. We were the lords of all creation.
It's been a long week, think I'm finna kick up my feet. I'm craving isolation and a few tangerines. I crave a little me time on my free time, but time be moving slow, but ain't no stagger when I step. I'm a casual man, so I always watch before I tread. I ain't mad, I'm just trying to get my ass about this bed. It's real hard to ease pressure off of ties around your neck. It's hard, shut up. It's hard, baby. It's all good, wait a minute, I got joy in my spirit, I got money in my pocket and some seasoning for my chicken. Why am I stressing? Won't even address it. Leave my problems on my nightstand, worries on my dresser. See, now there's a bigger picture, but I already knew that. Cause it through the fire, but I couldn't take the flow back. And that right there's a throwback. Ain't really try to go there again. It's real hard when you're in it, but I guess in the end it's hard. Oh, good, baby. Ooh. It's gonna get better, yeah. Ain't nothing going better than this. Ooh, I can get it, tell me, I
be like, sheesh, sunset on the beach. Make me wanna pull up on Miami with the heat. I don't know about you, but I know about me. Summertime in Florida, catch me sliding on the key, yeah. Oh, something's happened inside of me. Excellence, yeah, it's gotta be hot and cold, it's dichotomy. Rock with me with some prodigies. Lottie-dottie, we party. They hear us down in the lobby. We try to tell them to join us, and if they don't, they'll be sorry. No time to be out here hating. It's history in the making. I'm loving on all the options, despite everything that they're saying. My mama proud how she oughta be. Elton John keep on calling me, but even if he didn't, she still think we hit the lottery. Don't need diamonds to be gold. I'm so shiny, I'm like gold. You just gotta let it show. Run it back and let's reload. Yeah, I be like, sheesh, sunset on the beach. Make me wanna pull up on Miami with the heat. I don't know about you, but I know about me. Summertime in Florida, catch me sliding on the keys.
Yeah, I'm sliding, my looks could kill Dave Island. Look at me, I'm the captain and pilot. I'm on an island private, don't ask me what the vibe is. I can't define it, can't even put that shit down and write it. Yeah, sunshine, wait, yeah.
Darling, what you waiting there for? I got you alone, I don't wanna go. And darling, what you waiting there for? I got you alone, I don't really know. What you want me to say? That I'm caught in the days, that I'm stuck in autopilot, but I'm flying away. There's a lot I can say, got a lot on my brain. What you want me to say? That I'm stuck in this place, that I'm only a human and that I made some mistakes. I just think I'm afraid, that's okay. That I feel all alone, this house ain't a home. That I'm too damn stubborn not to do it alone. Can't do it on my own, think I just need to know that it's alright, but I'll never make it through it if I don't try. Wait up, say what, they don't think that I really got it. I don't either, I'm just being myself all the way up. Stay down to earth, don't let them get you out it. Don't let them get you out it, no, don't let them get you out it. Ain't no thing gonna say to me, I got shit that my nigga head on me. I may not be the greatest, me say la vie, but I ain't so down to mistake these keys like BB point A to B. Nah, you ain't chasing me, yeah, where am I taking me? Yeah, so wait and see.
And all my travels seem to bring me back to this place. And all my life I just been looking for the right way. And I've been thinking to myself that this is who I gotta be. And I've been driving on my own to find the right pace. And I've been watching all the clocks, I need the time frame. I wonder when will come the day, I wonder when I'll see those dreams. I gotta get past that, get out the abstract. I'm writing every thought I think I'm trying to map.
Okay, hold on. It's that waking up at noon, at the window with the view, doing whatever we choose. On the roof, singing nothing gonna hold me back. Words, I'ma spend it all on laughter. Hey, it's that 82 degrees, got the water to my knees. Out here swinging with the trees, on the beach singing nothing gonna hold me back. Words, I'ma spend it all on laughter. Hey, me and my homies nautical, swimming in a lot of fun. We don't got a lot of dough, but we got a pot of gold. How you like my style, yo? Guess it's been a while, yo. Hey, my mamacita, think I might keep your love to mamita. She'll come and greet ya with a big old smile, yo. Cause she just got tired, oh. It's that waking up at noon, at the window with the view, doing whatever we choose. On the roof, singing nothing gonna hold me back. Words, I'ma spend it all on laughter, hey. 82 degrees, got the water to my knees. Out here swinging with the trees, on the beach singing nothing gonna hold me back. Words, I'ma spend it all on laughter. On the rooftop, thinking about nothing. All my roommates probably onto something. Whatever we do, we gotta keep it bumping.